What's up, guys? Welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. So Tirelo posted today that it is her son's first birthday, guys. And yes, those are the photo shoot pictures that she posted. Her son looking cute as always. One thing about Tirelo, the girl has style. She has style and she likes things like any other girl. But Kesana, she likes things and she does the things. You know, when you check her Instagram, you can see the photo shoots, the outfits for the son is just top notch, you know. So this is a speech that she posted on Instagram. She said, "Happy first birthday to my precious son Singabakho. A year ago, you stole my heart with your first cry, and since then, you've filled my laughter, joy, and endless love. Your tiny hands and feet have grown. Your smile is a ray of sunshine, and your giggles are music to my ears. You've become a curious adventurous and a bubbly little boy. I promise to always support your dreams, wipe away your tears, and celebrate your triumphs. I thank God for His grace, guidance, and protection over you. May He continue to watch over you, shape you, and use you for His glory. Here's to many more years of hugs, snuggles, making memories together. I love you more than words can say, my little birthday boy." Wow, guys, this is just so cute. You know, as a mother myself, I know, like, when your son turns 1 or even when your daughter, the excitement is just, you know, it's, especially if it's your first, like, the excitement is just overboard. It's just overboard. I'm just really happy that at least she is managing to do her own photo shoots, because lastly, hey, we heard ukuthi ziyanyiwa ziyakhala.